My recollection is that, as a matter of fact, I had met with the owners of Fields Hardware and the members of the National Works Agency, and Fields Hardware had decided to give the Works Agency some leeway or some parts of their land that they could bring the water across the road through pipes to over into that area where the water would actually soak. But no words have been coming from the NWA, and so people have to suffer a lot there. And I'm scared because in that area we have the Catholic College, we have students who have to move to Bishops, we have El Instituto, we have the Bel Air students, and so it is really a problem there. And I'm still calling on the NWA to quickly remedy that situation right there, because you have been given the opportunity to find a solution. I just realized that somebody has, as a matter of fact, I hear somebody has created the means now of blocking off the pond so that just in case someone who is a stranger to the area goes into the water, the vehicle would not go over into the pond, but it will be blocked off or keep away from the pond because of the place that is fenced. And so I'm asking that the necessary things be done through the NWA to make sure that that area is taken care of as early as possible. I do also understand that on Nose Road, in the vicinity of the Nose Road New Testament Church, or some feet away from there, there is some ponding there, and I understand too that a vehicle was stuck in some water there, and that the fire brigade is trying to help that vehicle at this time.